Sure, here's a script for your YouTube channel FK iPhone, focusing on the 2025 Nokia N95. It stays within the 800-word limit and covers features, exterior, performance, and a conclusion. Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we're diving into something unexpected, something nostalgic with a modern twist. Say hello to the 2025 Nokia N95, the comeback story no one saw coming. Nokia has taken one of its most iconic models and reinvented it for this new era. So let's break it down and see if this legend really belongs in the world of foldables and flagships. First off, the design is a bold throwback to the original dual slider format, but with a futuristic upgrade. This time, it's got a sleek matte finished aluminum frame and a ceramic back panel that feels premium and solid in the hand. It's slim yet dense in a good way, like a phone that means business. The sliding mechanism is smoother than ever. Slide it up and you reveal the usual speaker and front cameras setup. Slide it down and you get a set of gaming shortcut keys, music controls, and even some customizable buttons depending on what you're doing. That's right, Nokia didn't just remake the past, they reimagined it for today's users. On the front is a 6.1-inch AMOLED display with full HD+ resolution. It's vibrant, sharp, and supports up to 120 Hz refresh rate. It may not be pushing the limits of screen tech like foldables do, but it nails the essentials. The bezels are minimal without losing the identity of the classic N-series vibe. And for those wondering, yes, there's still a headphone jack. Nokia knows its audience. Under the hood, the new N95 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, which means it's got flagship-level performance. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming in high-res, this phone handles it with ease. Paired with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of internal storage, the performance feels smooth and consistent. There's also a micro SD card slot, a rare gem in the smartphone world these days. Now let's talk cameras, because this is where Nokia tried to blend innovation with nostalgia. The main rear shooter is a 50-megapixel sensor with Zeiss optics, and it does not disappoint. Daylight shots are detailed, colors are natural, and low-light performance is surprisingly solid thanks to optical image stabilization. There's also a 13-megapixel ultra-wide sensor and a depth lens for portraits. The front camera is a 16-megapixel unit that handles selfies well and supports 4K video recording. What's cool is the camera UI, which is designed like the old N-series layout but upgraded with Pro mode features and filters. Audio is another area where Nokia made a statement. The stereo speakers are tuned to give rich, clear output, and there's spatial audio support for headphones. Combine that with the sliding media controls and this phone feels like a real multimedia powerhouse. It's like they took the soul of the old N95 and injected it with modern capabilities. Battery life is also a strong point. It packs a 4500 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day of heavy use. Fast charging and wireless charging are both supported. The phone ships with a clean Android 14 interface, almost stock, with just a few Nokia tweaks here and there. That means fast updates, minimal bloatware, and a snappy experience right out of the box. One thing that stands out is how Nokia balanced nostalgia with innovation. This is not just a remake to cash in on old fans. It's a thoughtful rework of a phone that once defined what a smartphone could be. The dual slider design is functional, not just gimmicky. The gaming keys are useful for mobile gamers and streamers. The camera is actually competitive. And the build quality feels more premium than some other flagships twice its price. Now it's not perfect. The camera could use better optimization in portrait mode. Some might say the design is bulky compared to modern slabs. And the slider mechanism, while satisfying, adds weight and moving parts that could wear over time. But here's the thing. This phone isn't trying to be another boring glass sandwich. It's trying to be something different. And it actually pulls it off. In conclusion, the 2025 Nokia N95 is a nostalgic rebirth done right. It respects the original but doesn't rely on it too heavily. It's modern, powerful, and it dares to stand out in a sea of sameness. For fans of the original N series, this is a dream come true. And for new users who want something unique with actual character, this might just be the most underrated phone of the year. Thanks for watching FK iPhone. Hit that like button if you're feeling the N95 vibes, subscribe for more honest takes, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Want me to tweak this for a voiceover style or add some spicy humor?